We have to graph inequality on a number line. So let's draw first number line. Because we have x is greater than or equals -4, or x is less than or equals 1, so our number line will be x. We have to choose the unit 0, 1. We need -5 and 1, so we have -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, because we have here x is greater than or equals, so -5 belongs to our solution, and x is less than or equals 1, so 1 belongs to our solution. First inequality is x is greater than or equals -5. Value greater than -5 we have on the right side of -5. So we are going to positive infinity. And the second inequality, because we have or, so we have to put together these two inequalities. We have or x is less than or equals 1. So value less of 1 we have on the left side of 1. So we are going to negative infinity. Because we have x is greater than or equals -5, or x is less than or equals 1, so the solution will be from this first inequality and from the second inequality. So we have to put this solution together, and we see that we got a line. We are going from negative infinity to positive infinity, so the solution is a line. This is my solution.